You're so extra.
I need my water bottle.
Oh my lord.
Okay.
We bought food for $70 today.
That's not true. For $25, it's fine. I bought a Happy Meal.
Oh, you didn't get a burger?
It's hot. What?
You didn't get a burger?
No, I told you. So we're just gonna eat and talk about ourselves, I
We
guess.
got Chick-fil-A.
Oh, I got Robin. What are we doing?
The sausage is like half the weight.
Oh, whoa.
And we got fries from the McDonald's. And we got an opened signature sauce.
I was hungry.
We got, oh my god, how many signature sauces are there? Oh my god. Damn.
I told you, there's a shit ton.
Okay.
Are we good?
Yep.
I'll do my avocado later. So usually I don't eat meat, but today I'll make an exception.
Yeah, I do. Ooh.
Where's the open one?
Is there an open one?
No, I'm talking about that sauce.
We're both just like this.
So go ahead, present yourself.
Oh. My name is Ida.
Okay.
I'm 21 years old.
Look, wait, that's medium. That's for kids. And the large, it's like.
It's like this.
Yeah. I took a large at Chick-fil-A. That's ridiculous. So you just Ida, okay. Nothing else with you?
No, I think that's like
I'm
my
Ida.
entire life.
Your name?
There's nothing else worthy saying.
That's true. Your life sucks.
It does.
Is that all?
Eat more chicken.
More chicken. No. How old are you?
I just told
Oh.
you.
What are you doing in the United States?
I'm just trying to get a green card. So if
Green
anyone-
card mission!
And not going that well.
Yeah, her number is 781.
No, it's 617. Hit me up, bitches.
We're gonna have to cut that out.
No. I'm
Don't put your
desperate.
fucking number.
Nobody will text me anymore. So.
How do you know? Are you kidding me? People are gonna find out and then your phone is gonna fucking blow up.
Yeah, finally. A change in life.
Is that all? So wait. No, what do you do in the United States?
I'm an educator.
Ooh, you saw that?
Yeah.
And else, what else?
What else? I go to school.
Where do you go to school?
Wellesley College, people. Yeah, political science. Rue.
Again?
Yeah,
Oh, I didn't know that.
of course.
I thought you were... Why do I have all this sausage here? I thought you were doing something else.
Nope, political science.
Alright.
Because I'm that invested in politics.
Yeah, it's really annoying.
What do you do here?
Currently, I'm eating chicken nuggets. I'm an au pair for 2 little boys. Joshua and
Joshua?
Alejandro.
You know, her guys are sending me very weird Snapchats.
Who? Oh, I was like, wait, what?
Might have to report that.
Yeah, for 2 little boys. in the beautiful states of Massachusetts, where people don't know how to drive.
True story.
You got something saucy to say?
Oh, I'm from Denmark.
Oh yeah, I'm from France. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
How do you say? You just say hi, right?
Hi.
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 Bonjour, je m'appelle Te amo, Belle.
What the fuck?
Je m'appelle Ida.
Yeah, the ti amo. I was like, why is she talking like?
Did I just say I love you?
Yeah, but
Yeah,
not in French.
Te amo.
But not in fun.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, wait, I know it. Mi amor? No.
It's
Oh
like
my
in
God.
fucking Spanish and Italian and it's just like
I know how to say it. J'adore.
almost.
Oh my god, how do you say it? Je...
J'adore is like I like it. I like you.
Chez soi?
Right, it starts with je, ti.
Je...
We are caught by my fucking sister.
Yes, Cécile Toubeuf.
Cécile, just
Cécile. Cécile Toubeuf.
I think it was actually my mom.
That was not okay.
I think it was actually my mom.
Ooh, that's even worse.
Bitch. So,
What were we talking about? Oh, I was trying to... How do you say I love you in French? I know it as soon as you say it.
je t'aime.
Yes!
Ooh, that's good.
Je t'aime all my subscribers from France because we have...
So you say je vous aime
Oh my
because
god.
it's plural. Subscribers, it's plural. Why am I
This
eating
is
from
making me
every
very
fucking
uncomfortable. This straw.
Okay, bitch.
I want a signature.
We don't have those sauces in France. They're so good.
I don't know.
In France, we have curry sauce.
We have that in Denmark too.
Oh my god, that one is so good.
I
was so
hate curry.
Yeah, you told me actually. I don't know if we can be friends anymore.
I just eat mayo.
I was so mad that they don't have it here, but I'm happy that they have that one. That one is really good. Oh yeah. That one is the bomb.
This is the Chick-fil-A sauce.
It's like spicy mayonnaise? Mayonnaise? Mayo?
I
It's
can't
spicy.
remember.
Yeah, it's like spicy mayo. Yeah.
It's good. So
I went to the fucking gym yesterday. What am I doing?
we are taking a new approach on our channel. I want to be Trisha Paytas. So we're getting a little
You
info.
gotta show your boobs.
Yep, that's for another time. Go check out my Insta.
You actually do show you. I mean, not all of it, but pretty good cleavage.
You can check out my Insta if you're interested, and then text me after.
Me, there's like pictures of Grand Canyon, which is better. I hate the Grand Canyon, bitch. It is way more better than showing your boobs.
No. Okay, vote people. Write in the comments what's better.
Showing your boobs or hiking the Grand Canyon? It's like I have a permanent 2 straws on my face.
Try to sip them at the same time.
Nope. I was going to do it, but then I was, nope, I'm gonna die. Ew.
Wait, I didn't get anything from you.
Disgusting. Disgusting!
Interesting.
You disgusting.
Do you want some Big Mac? Or you don't need meat?
Well, I'm fucking eating chicken nuggets,
You want
bitch.
some Big Mac?
Yeah, I love Big Mac. Should we put more sauce because there's never enough?
Sure.
Let me get a knife. Oh, by the way, where are we filming? In my beautiful house. I mean, it's not mine, but I live there. Same thing. Okay, we good.
Okay. Okay, so why did this bread just... Oh my god,